Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today I think we could take a look at the Great British Pound because our short-term stop that we have talked about yesterday on Euro has been erased by the price action, so market turns in opposite direction and exceeded the C point that we had on the 4-hour time frame chart of the Euro on the as you can see this ABCD we talked about. This was entry point, but market has not proceeded right to the OP. Right now has exceeded the C point, and as I said, situation changed very fast on the euro currency. Better to take a look at the short-term stops. And now we on euro just need to see what will happen and what other patterns could be formed there. We don't see right now something really interesting that's acceptable for trading immediately. But on the Great British Pound, it's a bit different situation. But on the Great British Pound right now, exists some setup that maybe it will work within a couple of sessions probably. So I'll take a look at the weekly chart. On the weekly, you probably remember the story that we have watched previously. That was actually before the voting in the parliament on accepting of the Brexit agreement between the European Union and the United Kingdom. And we said, that was approximately 3 weeks ago, we said that before any other action should happen, market should hit the 125 area. So that was our long-term target. It is based on the COP target 618 extension of this large long-term A, B, C top pattern. And that target has been hit rather fast. So actually on the Monday after the voting, it has been completed. That is also 127 extension of the butterfly as well. And here we see the pullback that stands for this action. But you can see this pullback is not strong, so this is mostly reminds the consolidation, some kind of the retracement, because currently here on the weekly chart it takes the shape kind of the, don't know, something like the flag or even some kind of the pennant that we have here, some pennant pattern, something of that sort. So usually this kind of the consolidation becomes the continuation pattern, and it means that Great British Pound has the chance to proceed action to the downside. Another reason for this pullback was on the daily chart, because on the daily, if you remember, this collapse was rather strong, as you can see here, and that was daily oversold. That was very profitable combination, guys, of the oversold and strong support there in the vehicle, and that was the point where we call for buying. So we said wait for retracement. This pullback has started. We said wait for retracement, take the position here, as upward continuation probably will follow. And indeed, right now this setup totally completed. So ABCD pattern here is completed. As you can see, market stands at the strong confidence resistance. That's our flag consolidation or pennant on the weekly chart. We also have the natural support resistance area, as you can see, that coincides with the confidence. And here market has formed bearish engulfing yesterday. So preparation for a downward action has been completed. Now actually we need to get some pullback here where we could take the acceptable position against these previous stops with the minimal risk. So if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here we have nicely looking gorgeous tuple to sell, and that is our ABCD pattern that has been completed. So you can see that OP has been hit pips to pips. The CD leg is very flat compared to AB, and usually when the market forms such kind of the ABCDs, it leads to reversal at the OP target, at the D point, completion of this pattern more than retracement. So in most cases this leads to reversal. And the final detail in this setup, and take a look at the hourly chart. Here we have the actually head and shoulders shape. As you can see, it's easily could be recognized here. That's very typical for appearing on the engulfing pattern. It means that currently we're watching for upward action. You can see somewhere to the 126.90, OP stands 26.80. That's the area where we need to get the opportunity for possible taking the short position, because take a look, this approximately corresponds to these tops. That's actually the left arm of this head and shoulders pattern. This will be the right arm. It brings relatively small risk, so head stands at 27.38, so that's approximately 50 pips risk here for this setup. That's what we could keep an eye on the Great British Pound. So because currently I think that's a bit more interesting than the action that we see on the euro currency. At least here we have some clear patterns, clear stops, interesting levels. So and it's also the short term. So at least if you do not want to take the position in advance for long-term drop on the weekly chart, it's dealing with the hand shoulders in kind of the ABCD pattern down. This will be also acceptable, interesting step. Maybe it will be even completed till the New Year's holiday. So let's see how situation will develop here on the Great British Pound.